When you're trying to DIY your branding, there's nothing worse than staring at a blank screen, struggling to transfer the ideas you have in your head into a cohesive brand identity. Take a page out of this designer's playbook and leverage the power of a mood board to bridge the gap between your ideas and the actual design. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carrie, the brand strategist and designer behind The Creative Accent. If you want to learn more about branding, websites, and all things design, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. In this video, we're going to cover what a mood board is, how to create one, and why strategy is so essential when it comes to designing your brand. What is a mood board? A mood board is simply a collage of photos, colors, textures, typography, and the like that capture the intended style and emotion of your creative direction. But why is this important? Essentially, the mood board is going to serve as a guide when you're making design decisions for your brand. So if you've weighed the different options for branding your business and decided on the DIY route, let's talk about how you can put together a mood board in 4 easy steps. Step 1 is to define your strategy. If your mood board is going to capture the vibe of your brand, your first step is to define what that vibe actually needs to be. Notice I say needs and not wants. Sure, personal preferences matter to an extent, but a solid brand strategy extends way beyond this, even for personal brands. The look and feel of your brand needs to reflect more than simply what you stand for. It's also a reflection of the audience that you serve and how you are positioning your brand to stand out among competitors. When I'm designing for clients, I'm focusing on these 3 essential pillars. Number 1, your foundation. Number 2, your audience. And number 3, your positioning. In fact, I've broken down this very process inside Design Aligned, my mini brand strategy course that teaches DIY enthusiasts like yourself exactly how to define these essential pillars and put together a solid creative direction for their business. Check it out using the link in the description. Choose 3 to 4 keywords to guide your creative direction. Once you have a clear understanding of your foundation, the audience you serve, and what sets you apart, you're ready to start putting your creative direction together. Go back through your strategy and choose 3 to 4 keywords that are essential for your resulting brand identity to embody. You can pull from your core values, an aspect of your brand story, the transformation you deliver to your clients, and so much more. Start with a short list of around 10 words and narrow down to only 3 or 4. Create a mind map to expand on ideas, image concepts, and possible color palettes that evoke the emotions aligning with your keywords. Number 3, start gathering images for your branding mood board. Start broad and assemble whatever you think has potential. Gather images, color swatches, patterns, and anything that inspires you. A few favorite places to source inspiring images include Unsplash and Pexels, Pinterest of course, Canva Pro graphics, magazines, home decor and art, or photos from your travels or visiting new places. Now, this point is very important. Resist the urge to look at competitors during this time. If you did your strategy right, you'll already have an idea of what your competitors are doing and how you plan to stand out. Now is the time to hone in on your creative direction. Step number 4, start assembling your mood board. Once the research is done, it's time to narrow down your selection. Cut out any photos, colors, etc. that aren't 100% aligned with your keywords and overall strategy. This usually leaves me with 5 to 6 images and 3 to 4 main colors. Play around until you find the right combination. You've done the strategy work, now it's time to let your intuition have a seat at the table. You can assemble your mood board physically from printed images and magazine cutouts, or you can design one online using a tool like Canva. In fact, grab my Canva mood board templates to make this process even easier, link in the description. During this video, you probably noticed just how important it is to lay the groundwork for your creative direction with a clear brand strategy. After all, it takes more than just a pretty brand to convert clients. It takes real connection. It takes authenticity. It takes actually daring to embrace those qualities that are truly unique to your business. If working with a professional brand designer just isn't in the budget at this stage of your business, you can still DIY an intentional brand identity with the help of Design Aligned, my straightforward, no fluff mini brand strategy course. If you have any questions at all about creating a mood board or brand strategy, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.